Alright, next I'm going to hook up this mirror wire. Need to stick this through to the inside. Alright, that's a good fit on there. Okay, that part goes in the door. I'll just leave it hanging down for now. Reach back and get these two and plug them together. I do the same thing to the passenger side door. This wire's a little longer, sticking out already. I'll just plug these two together and shove that thing in there pretty tight. There we go. I might not show it, but I'll go through and kind of tie up the wires here and there so everything's neat. Now I'll go ahead and snap these little screw hole covers in place. There's a right and a left. There we go. The middle one. And the left one. There we go. Okay. I think next I'll put the speakers in. I don't know what screws originally held those in, but I'm using these. I changed the plug-ins here. And you need these little clips. And some of these holes are damaged, but usually the clip will still work, even if the hole's damaged. Put my wires in. Alright, the way this works is the top two screws go in just the speaker. Top two screws are in. The bottom two are close to lined up. Snap the speaker cover on, and the bottom two screws go through the speaker cover and the speaker. Snug, not too tight, because those little clips will strip pretty easy. That's good. Alright. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. On the passenger side, before putting the speaker cover on, we need to put the glove box in. Slide it in that way. Then this side, what I'm putting in there is this little pin. Here, a little pin. We'll just stick that in the hole on the end. I forgot to put my little hook thing on there. Let's see. Now here's the little clip. Screws up like that. I'll try using a couple of these screws. Okay, now let's try this again. Okay, speaker looks okay. Yeah, alright, I think that will work. Up here behind the fuse box, I got a problem with my relays. They keep slipping off of their groove here, so I'm going to try to slip those back on, and maybe I'll put some black tape around or something just to get them to stay in place. Okay, I got those tucked up out of the way okay, I think. One more piece snaps in here under the steering wheel. Yeah, put the bottom in first, then the top edge should snap in. There we go. There we go. Looks like I got a few spaces I need to plug up here. I've searched everywhere in my parts supplies and I can only find 2 of these plugs, and this one's like broken. This one is good. And so I'm just going to have a hole there until I find another one of those plugs. Well, my dash is pretty much in. I guess I can go ahead and put my steering wheel on. On the back of my steering wheel, this is a electrical contact around here, and so a little brass piece rubs on it. I'm just going to put a little bit of electrical grease on there using this stuff. Hopefully it won't catch the dust too bad. I think it had that on it already. I got my front wheels as straight as I can get them just by eyeballing. You can see that's the contact that rubs on it right there. Okay, then I want to make it nice and straight. Big nut goes on there. Can't get my fingers in there. I got my size 17 socket, nut. Alright, that should be good. Okay, go find my horn button. Alright, I've got the best horn button I could find in my parts. It's in pretty good shape. All the clips are intact and not broken, so that's good. I should run it underneath because the little wire here is on the bottom. That. Line up the tabs. Something is blocking my progress here. Oh shoot. Okay, I put my wheel in upside down. I have to take it back off again. Since I just put it on there, I might be able to just pop it off. Okay, good. Alright, I'll turn it over. Now I'll put it back on nice and straight. That should be good. Hook my horn wire up. Alright, let's try doing the bottom two first, and then the top two. Okay, I think I got it. Alright, I think I'm pretty much done with that dash stuff, unless I find a big mistake and have to take stuff apart again. I think the next thing I should work on is that center shift levers, handbrake and stuff that go in the middle right there.